Yeah, he's a lot bigger. Need the net. Don't lose him. He's in the.
Oh, that's a nice one. Look
That is a real super nice one.
Yeah. So Joyce, you said you're going to make something called candied mackerel with
Right.
these mackerel. Is that what you call it?
Yeah, my own recipe. It's kind of
And here's the
simple.
mackerel fillets. Aren't they
It's
pretty?
about 1.25 pounds of fish in there. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of the low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sweet wine, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of Old Bay, a tablespoon of granulated garlic, and about 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and a little, not much salt because you've got the, even though it's low sodium soy sauce, I put just a little touch of the salt in there. So it's quite simple to make this. Set this aside. You dump all the ingredients in your bowl. But make sure your brown sugar is firmly packed. Garlic, granulated garlic, Old Bay, and your pepper. And we'll just mix this up. What you're making here is a marinade sauce. We're going to marinate the fish in this. You want to at least have an hour, but if you could go like maybe 2 to 3 hours so all this soaks into the mackerel, it makes it cook up really nice. Okay, you got that all mixed up in there. Take your fish.
That's some good looking fish.
Beautiful. Well, we like a lot of garlic, so sprinkle the fish with the garlic. Now what you'll do with this, sometimes some people put it in plastic bags, but I prefer it if you got a big sheet, like a pan, glass pan like this. It's really nice. It's and you want to let this the last hour before you're ready to bake it, you want to put this out so it gets to room temperature. And you just get that in there, flip them over, skin side is up. This way all that soaks into the fish. And if you hear that noise in the background, we are getting a bad thunderstorm. And this is it. They're going to let this sit. And we'll come back after, I'm going to let this go probably for 2 hours. We'll see you in 2 hours. The fish has been marinating for 2 hours. 1 hour in the refrigerator and 1 hour at room temperature. I lined 2 cookie sheets with foil. One, this is the one that'll be cooked in the oven. This one's to drain the fish. So you want to just shake it off a little bit. Let it drain. Because you can see when you plop it in there, it makes a mess, and that burns. But you can see how nice it soaks into the fish. You just discard that. Now you're going to take this. Try not to get too much excess on the foil. Just put it in there. And what I do with the fish, these were whole, like a whole fillet. The fish was that big. So what I like to do is I always like to cut them in half because they're easier to get out of the pan or whatever you're cooking them. It makes it a lot simpler. And when you're done, when it's all done and you're ready to eat this, I guess you all know to flip it over when you got it on your plate and peel the skin off, because the skin is nasty. Some people might like it, but it's nasty. Okay. Okay, the fish is ready to go into the oven. You set your oven on broil. This oven has a high and low. I like to use the high setting. You set your rack on the second one down from the top. You'll put the fish in here. Because of the sugar in the sauce, this has the tendency it can burn. That's why I like to drain it off a little bit so it doesn't start to smoke under there. And I'll set this timer for 4 minutes. When 4 minutes is up on the fish, bring it out. And I put about 2 tablespoons of oil in a cup. And what you want to do with that to finish up the cooking process, you're going to just brush each fillet with the oil. I checked a little bit for doneness. Oh, it's got to go. It's got to go another minute. Okay, the fish is a nice glaze on them.
And yeah, they do. They smell good too.
I always like to check the thickest one. So, let's see. Oh yeah, flakes
Yeah,
off.
that's
That's
flaking it
done.
off there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Really look good. Well, Joyce, this mackerel really looks good, and I'm sure it's going to taste as good as it looks.
Well, tonight's dinner is candied mackerel, oven fried sweet potatoes, and corn with red peppers.
And homemade tartar sauce.
Oh yes, can't forget that.
Yeah, that's really good. Well, if you enjoy our videos, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot for watching.